How to pay bills in Scotiabank. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can pay bills in Scotiabank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically pay bills on Scotiabank, all you have to do is simply actually open the Scotiabank application and then you'll find this option over here known as Move Money, and then just make sure to select it. Once you select the Move Money option, right over here, you'll find this option known as Pay Bills. So all you have to do is hit the Pay Bills option here. And once you select the Pay Bills option, select from which account you want to pay the bills, pay to which account you want to actually select, and pay the pay, right? So make sure to add a pay. And then once you've done that, enter the amount you'd like to add, hit the Done option, just slide to pay, confirm it, hit the Finish option, and your payment will be successfully made. This way, you'll be able to go ahead and then pay bills on Scotiabank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.